All right guys, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. I am up on the tank here on the skid. Wanted to show you a quick little easy tip for putting a bulkhead into a bottom of the tank. If you look through my videos, I showed you how to do it with a broom handle one time. I'm gonna show you a slightly different way to do it. And pardon the video, this is all non-edited and I'm just gonna see if I can do this with one hand. But here's a piece of pressure washer hose that has a hole in it. We just cut it down. Anyways, you see the hole down in there. I'm gonna see if I can get it threaded in without falling off the top of this tank. I'm gonna stop the video and use both hands, and then I'll come right back and show you. Alrighty, definitely needed two hands. This is an ABC tote. Putting a bulkhead in the side of this for a second pressure washer when it comes in. But when this thing gets loaded up into a truck, I want to make sure I do all the cuts and plumbing and all that stuff before it goes in, because this will be towards the side of the truck. So anyways, that's all in there. And got my bulkhead here. So what we're gonna do, get the end of the hose. My hose is a little bit longer than what I need. Anyways, see if I can do this. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So, I'll show you here. So I just put it on the end of this. This goes right down into there. So it's on the hose. Pull this out and show you. See how that's right in there? It's gonna thread right in. See how it's moving over? All right, I'm gonna jump down. I'm stop the video real quick and jump down and show you the other side. All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, as you can see, the bulkhead is almost at the hole. So we're just gonna go like this, pull it through, just like that. And then probably what I'll do is just put the nut right here on the end of the hose. I'll thread it up just to make sure it doesn't fall out. Tighten it up. These are reverse threads for anybody that's not ever messed with these. But yeah, real simple way. Take a piece of any hose really will work as long as it fits through the hole and it's a little bit stiff, so that way you can kind of direct it into the hole into the side. But I hope this helps you guys with installing a bulkhead on your pressure washing buffer tank. All right, have a great day.